Luckily, light bulbs have been lasting a lot longer thanks to LED technology, but like all other light bulbs, they also eventually burn out. So in this episode from American Landlord, we will answer the question, who's responsible for changing out a light bulb? This episode is brought to you by RealSerious.com, where you can screen tenants 24 hours a day, the easy way. You'd think the answer to this question would be straightforward because traditionally, landlords share most of the maintenance and repair responsibility. But could a landlord really be responsible for changing a light bulb? First of all, it's possible for a landlord and a tenant to agree on almost anything as long as the terms of the agreement are lawful, including who should change the light bulbs. Aside from any unique agreements, here's how a typical arrangement between a landlord and tenant goes. Fixture lighting. Lighting that is permanently affixed to the inside of a dwelling unit, such as wall sconces, ceiling fans, or chandeliers, is often the tenant's responsibility. The same applies to outdoor fixtures unless they are on a second floor or unreachable, requiring a professional to change them, which is usually the landlord's responsibility. Personal lighting. While obvious, it's important to note that any personal lighting moved into the rental property by the tenant, such as desk lamps, floor lamps, and table lamps, is the sole responsibility of the tenant when it comes time to replace a bulb. Appliance lighting. Even though the usage of an appliance is by the tenant and a light bulb is considered to be an expendable item, appliance lighting found in an oven, clothes dryer, refrigerator, and so on is generally the landlord's responsibility. This is most likely because some appliance lighting may be difficult to change and require a service call. Since there are not many laws that address this specific issue, it's often left up to the landlord and tenant to come to an agreement as to who is going to be responsible for changing which light bulbs. So before you offer or accept a lease, this may be one of those issues worth shedding a light on. If you have questions about being a landlord or tenant or would like to support our free resources for others, please visit AmericanLandlord.com.